Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about string objects and string interpolation concept in Dart programming language. For that, just create void main. Suppose I have a string variable here. I say fname equal to Dr. Vipin like this. Then I have a string. I say lname equal to Devati like this. And I want to display this in a single print statement. So how I can print that we are going to learn here. So I say print and I say fname plus lname. Remember? So we just use the plus operator. It's called string concatenation operator. By using this, you can combine these two values. If I run it, I say dart run and I say for string interpolation. You see Dr. Vipin Tevatia, but we do not have a gap here. So we can say double quote space and here I say plus. Once again I run. You see we have a space also. Remember that if I want to convert this into uppercase, so it's very simple, just to put two uppercase like this. So many functions are there in a string. We say two lowercase. Remember that all the function which we have in other programming language like substring and two upper, two lower, two string. So many types of string types of functions are available here. You can test yourself. You see this to lowercase. So we convert into lowercase to uppercase, we have in uppercase. So both are running here. So you can test yourself how to do this. Now this is not only the way to concatenate the two string. We have a string interpolation method also. How we can do this? Learn this also. So under the double quote, we have a dollar symbol. I say fname, then space, then dollar. I say lname, then semicolon. And you see if I run it once again, you will see the same kind of output. You see Vipin, and here if you want to run any method, so you can run this function also like this. Once again I try to run it. You see this is under the string, that's why it is not executing. But if you want to execute it, so you can put it under the curly bracket like this. Remember, because this is an expression, we have to execute it first. Now you see we have the same output which we have here. Remember that. So if you have any expression, then you put into the curly brackets like this. Otherwise you can write similarly without using curly bracket like this. But if I want to convert into lowercase, then again I have to put it under the curly bracket like this. Then I can get the result. Now suppose if we have the integer variable, then what I can do? So suppose I say int num1 equal to 10 and I say int num2 equal to 20 like this. I want to print this. So I say print and I say sum of two numbers is equal to, and here suppose I say plus, remember, and here I say num1 plus num2 like this. If I say, so you see there is an error. If I put curly bracket here, remember, like this, then again we have the error because we can't convert this into string, because it can be concatenate by using this operator only if these are a string variable, but these are not a string variable. Now I try to convert into two string. Try to do this, you see. So it will calculate by this expression, then it convert into two string. Try to execute it once again and you see that now you can get the desired result. But if you don't want to use this plus operator, you want to use string interpolation, then you can put like this, sum equal to sum of two numbers is equal to similar way, and here I say dollar symbol. Under this we have a curly bracket, then I say num1 plus num2 semicolon. So this type of you can get, and the same I can get result from this because this is expression. So these expressions I have entered the curly bracket, then we have a dollar symbol, and if I run it, you see same result I have. Simple, because I have put it under the curly brackets here, that's why I'm two string I'm using it. So these curly brackets I can also remove, try to remove it and try to do like this if it's possible. You see I do this once again, I try to run it. You see same result we have, and we can give some space here. You see same type of output we have here also. So like this you can use string and string interpolation technique in Dart programming language. Remember that how easy to learn Dart. If you follow my playlist to support my channel, to create such kind of videos, please subscribe my channel, like my video, share to your friends, and thank you for watching this video.